So, are you starting a company? Here is the fastest, simplest breakdown of how incorporation works in India. So, let's get started. So, for starters, our company's name is Skyline Builders Private Limited. And the steps of incorporation of a private company starts with first step, which is the idea and choosing a name. So the idea for our company started with becoming a builder's company that builds smart and eco-friendly houses. But before starting a company, there was a requirement of a unique name to the company. For this purpose, three unique names were given, such as Skyline Constructions Private Limited, Skyline Builders Private Limited, and Skyline Developers Private Limited. Finally, Skyline Builders Private Limited was locked in. Next came the name reservation, which was applied using the SPICE plus Part A on the MCA website. Step 2 included obtaining digital signatures, which is also known as DSC, which gave the founders a digital identity. Because the entire registration process is online in today's date, all proposed directors of the Skyline Builders Private Limited needed a digital signature certificate, the DSC. Without a DSC, no document can be signed or uploaded. So the directors submitted their PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport size photo, email, and phone number.
Step 3. Apply for DIN, Director Identification Number. A DIN is like a license number that identifies each director across all companies in India. When the director of Skyline Builders Private Limited filed the incorporation application, their DINs were automatically generated through SPICE plus Part B. Now, step 4. Step 4 is drafting the MOA and AOA. MOA is Memorandum of Association. This document answers why does Skyline Builders Private Limited exist? What business is it allowed to do? It includes name of the company, state of registered office, main objective is to construction and development of residential and commercial buildings, capital contribution, liability of members. Now, AOA, Article of Association. This document answers how will Skyline Builders Private Limited will be run. It includes appointment of directors, internal meetings, role and responsibilities, share transfers, and decision-making process.
So, for the step 5, which is collecting or required documents, and this step includes gathering all important documents, as it is similar to assembling or essentials before going on a big journey. And the documents required from the directors are as follows, like PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, latest electricity bill, or bank statement, for which it is used for address proof, passport size photos, email, and phone number. For the registered office documents, it requires a rental agreement or property papers, electricity or water bill, and NOC from owners. For the step 6, filing SPICE plus Part B, the core application, the promoters enter all details of Skyline Builders Private Limited, including capital, number of shares, detail of shareholder, details of directors, registered office address, stamp duty, and professional declaration by CA or CS.
Step 7 include uploading linked forms. Several supporting forms must be supported along with SPICE Plus, Agile Pro for GST registration, EPFO, ESIC, professional tax, bank account opening, for EMOA and EAOA, digitally signed by the subscribers of Skyline Builders Private Limited. INC 9 declaration. A self-declaration stating that all rules have been followed, there is no fraud, and documents are correct. Step 8. Payment of fees and stamp duty. Once all documents were uploaded, payment was made online. This includes ROC filing fees and stamp duties, which varies by state.
Ratification by the Register of Companies (ROC). The ROC now carefully checks every form, every signature, every detail. If anything is missing, ROC issues a resubmission. If anything is correct, ROC approves the application. Certificate of Incorporation. The document contains company name, Skyliner Built Private Limited, cooperative identification, PAN, TAN, date of incorporation. It can't now open a bank account, hire employees, buy properties, sign contracts, start construction project.
To conclude, incorporating Skyline Builders Pvt Ltd is like bringing a big dream to life. From choosing the name to submitting forms and finally receiving the certificate of incorporation, every step builds the foundation of a legal, professional, and trustworthy business. The process ensures legitimacy, transparency, proper governance, and accountability. Now, you also know how to incorporate your own company. Thank you.